if you don't give upkeep and do your responsibility as a father,
today.
you will continue to have this problem of
The-
access to the children. Are you hearing me? Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, madam. I'm hearing you, my lord.
Okay.
The fact is this.
Let me
I
land.
I
I've
love
not
my
even
children.
mentioned that. You are jumping the gun. Who has mentioned that?
Okay, sorry.
Did anybody mention that? We get there. It's step by step. Because even if there is a standing order for you to be having access to the children and be giving upkeep, the minute you stop, one thing goes for the other.
Hey there, welcome to the show. I am so glad you are here with us today. Get ready for a courtroom experience like no other. Real cases, real drama, and real justice. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to stay updated on all the actions. Let's get started. No more excuses. Justice Call declares, if you can bring children into this world, then you must shoulder the responsibility of raising them. The era of deadbeat parents hiding behind excuses is over. Pay child support or trade your freedom for a jail cell. The court is ready to show that neglecting your own blood is a crime against society.
Man yourself, assuming I'm the one. To the extent he was asking the man to send his nude pictures. Beat me, I landed in the hospital. I stayed in hospital for more than 1 to 2 months. I was warned about it, so I was just alone. But this fateful day, I came to the family and told them, Daddy, I don't want again.
All what she said, she has been telling lies from the beginning to the end of the month. And I think that's not actually why we are here. Why we are here is not because of my kids that she has decided to keep away from me.
What's the situation between the two of you? Are you still married to each other?
I'm not married to her any longer.
You are divorced?
I'm not married to her any longer.
I-
She's with somebody else.
Are
So
you
why can somebody else?
are you divorced?
We are not divorced. My what do you call it? My money that I paid during the marriage is still with her. She has not returned it. She's also equally staying with the man at.
Are you aware? Are you aware that the customary court has dissolved your wedding on 21st day of June 2022? I have the
She
court
never told me
process.
that.
He has the copy.
Will you keep quiet? I have the court process before me, certified
Okay.
true copy of what is in the court's file, and it's
Okay.
written there that on 19th day of April 2022, the case came up for mention. Petitioner present in court, respondent absent. The court was informed that the respondent has been served with court summons. So that must be
Okay.
the court's bailiff or sheriffs. They informed the court that they served you. But you didn't turn up on 19th. So the court adjourned till 10th day of May 2022 for hearing, and notice to be served on you as well as final. On 10th day of May 2022, case come up for hearing, petitioner present in court, respondents absent, whereby the petitioner was put on oath, sworn with the Holy Bible, and they opened their case for trial. So the court is claiming you were served, but you are telling me you were not served.
Okay. The when they brought the paper, it's just like she arranged it because I was at work. The day they brought the paper, the courts are already seated. They will bring the paper before after the court has seated. I wrote the dates that I saw those invites. So when she now sent me, she was not calling. I was surprised why she's calling. So if she says she has gone to court and court has nullified that he has done something about the marriage, that's for I have said it openly in the first court she took me to at the village that I don't want the marriage any longer because I cannot sit down and start watching somebody that knew definitely that if she does something like this, this was going to
Wait,
happen.
just a minute. I'll quote something from you. I'll just read the first paragraph of the judgment. Judgment. The respondent in this case was absent throughout the divorce proceeding, despite the fact that he was duly served with the court summons, and the proof of service is in the court file. Do you know what proof of service is? When you are served, you sign for it.
Yes.
And
they didn't give me.
What did you say?
I didn't receive any of it. They didn't give me those papers.
Okay.
That's
Are you telling me? Are you telling me you are just wait, hold on. Are you telling me you are just knowing about this now? You've never heard about this before. The customary court proceeding.
The day they brought those stuff, the day they brought the invitation something, they didn't bring it the day that they are supposed to bring it. They brought it after the court sitting.
Let me, just for future...
And I wasn't the one that signed for it.
For future's sake, I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
If you are ever served any process from the court, the process will have all the details. The court number, where it's located, and everything. What you ought to do is to go there and speak with the court registrar. If you get to the court, you get all the details of the next adjourned date by which you will now appear there and defend yourself. That's the way the court runs. What service is notification. So even if you get it a day after that, it's not one day. When you get it, if you had gone to the place, you would have been given the notice of hearing dates so that you have the opportunity to be in court to defend yourself on that date. But because you didn't turn up, because the court will not wait once there's proof of service. So the court went ahead and they solved, but I realize for you as well, you are okay with that. But now, on the issue of access to the children, you cannot be, I always say it, neither party out of the parents can be denied access to the children. You have the right to have access to your children. You have to disclose the school to him so that he can have access to them at any time. When was the last time you saw the children?
Quickly, almost a year plus now.
Over a year. You have to let him know.
Yeah.
You have to give him the...
I never stopped.
Where are you based? Where are you? Where do you live?
I'm in Ogun State. Ogun State.
You are in Ogun State. And the children are in
Ota, precisely.
Ota is not far from Lagos.
I have never
They are in Ogun State. They're still in Ogun State because Ogun State.
There was a day I called him.
No problem. You've never denied.
Never.
You've never denied him access, you said. But it doesn't matter where we are and we're moving forward from this spot. You should have access to the children in the school and during holiday period.
Thank you.
Do you understand?
That's the major reason why I'm here.
Two of you will share holiday period. He has right to have access to the children. You are ready to give him access. So that's it. Are you taking the first part of the holiday or the second part of the holiday?
I'll take the first.
You take the first?
Yeah.
So she's going to have the first part, then you have the second part.
Can I come in here, my Lord?
Go ahead.
These children has been with her for long. And these children are old enough. They are not kids any longer.
What's the age of the children?
I know my
15, the first.
She will tell you another date. I'll bring
what's the age of your children, Jonah? What's the age?
My first son is going to 14, 15 years now.
That's still a child under
my
the
first son.
That's still a minor.
July.
That's still a minor. Will you keep quiet? I'll send you out of the courtroom.
Then the last
Listen,
one
I'm
is
just
11, 12 now.
wait, I'm educating you. Until the child is 18 years old, that child is considered to be a minor before the law. That is a minor. And that way is taking that they cannot take a decision for themselves at that age. Do you understand? So that is it. And when...
Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. So that's for all.
Another thing.
Okay.
Can I come in again?
Go ahead.
Now, the school, because my salary is 75,000 naira.
You have to prove that.
monthly.
You can't just come around and
That's
say
what-
my salary is 1 million
No,
naira.
I will
You have
send you
to
my
prove it.
payslip.
But before you go there, just wait. Before you go there, do you understand me? So now, for the upkeep on monthly basis, how many children?
3.
How much do you want to be giving now?
Is it me?
I'm talking to
How
you.
much I should be giving them?
For their upkeep.
For their upkeep, I can take care of my children if she's tired of taking care of them. I can take care of my children.
Let me tell you. Because
I cannot be giving
your
her
case,
money
wait.
so that she'll...
Jonah, your case is very straightforward. I was thinking that you could come in from a very reasonable aspect and I can vary and try to mitigate and make sure that I balance everything. Let me read out the court order, the standing court order in respect of your matter. The court grants the respondent, that is you, unhindered access to the children of the marriage, that is you. You have to have access for the children presently living with the petitioner, that's with her, at reasonable hour of the day, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and at a place to be mutually agreed by the parties, including their schools and lessons. That's for you. Number 2, the court orders the respondent to be giving the petitioner a sum of 30,000 naira per month for the upkeep of the children in custody of the petitioner. Any of the parties who wish to contest for the custody of the children should do so at the family court. The court ordered the petitioner and the respondent to maintain peace between each other in the interest of their children. The court orders the petitioner to return the dowry paid by the respondent to the court for onward transmission to the respondents, and the court ordered the respondent to pick the dowry he paid on the petitioner from the court. Any violation of this judgment shall be regarded as contempt of court and shall on conviction attract 6 months imprisonment without option of fine. Any party who is not satisfied with the judgment has the right to appeal within 30 days from the date of judgment. This is over a year after, and there is no appeal. If she does not give you access to the children while you are giving her upkeep and complying with everything stated here, she will be held liable. And if you don't do this as well, all that needs to be done is to enforce this. And I know African women are usually cautious about sending their men to jail. It's written in her statement. Any violation of this judgment shall be regarded as contempt of the court and shall on conviction attract 6 months imprisonment without option of fine. This is there. But I'm talking about family matter. As much as possible, when things comes up this way, I try as much as possible to make it easy for both parties so that you can both co-parent, learn to co-parent and raise the children. There's a standing order here that if it's enforced, it's 6 months imprisonment for you.
Judge Funmi reminds both parties of the existing court judgment on this matter and the fact that the violation of the judgment attracts 6 months imprisonment without an option of fine. It is obvious that the defendant has not been paying upkeep as directed by the court. He claims he is not aware of the judgment.
Before she went to this court, I've been taking care of my children. I went as far to the school to pay their school fees. And
have you been giving her the upkeep as stated by the court? Have you given her? You're supposed to be giving her 30,000 naira on monthly basis.
I don't even have that you are reading. I don't have it.
You don't have a copy of it. Go to the magistrate.
I don't have.
Go to the customary court of Lagos State at Igodo. Customary court. That's Secretariat Ikotu. So, you are expected to comply with this court order within the next 1 month. I could have made it a week, but I realized you said you want to go and get a copy for you to study. So after 1 month, if you don't comply, then as stated there, this will be taken as a contempt of court.
My Lord.
What is it?
My Lord, on the basis of seeing my children, I want that to be spared out. Please.
You want what?
I want to be seeing my children often. I want to be seeing my children often. That is just it. I love my children. I want to she cannot get hold of the children.
You can see
she cannot get hold of the children.
You can see the children in school. You are not listening to me. You can see the children in school 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. That is a standing court order that has not been varied. You go and comply, go and get a copy, study it, comply with it. Do you understand me? There is a standing court order over a year. You have not done anything about it. You have another that says you can go to and see your children in school. You have not gone there for over a year to see your children in school.
I've been looking for them. I went to the school. Even last 2 weeks, I went to the school that the year before.
You reach out after this session, reach out to the legal team. Work out how you want to be making the payments. Work out the payment as given by the court. Work out how you will be seeing the children in school between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And I think that is all. Those are the only two things there. Is an order that should be. So you already have an order. The court has allowed you to have access to them. So you can, and let me tell you one thing. When it comes to children's welfare, you can always go back to revisit such orders. Do you understand? But he who comes to equity must come. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. You cannot be in violation of a court order and at the same time you go there and say, look, I want something from you. If a court says do something, you do it. Then you can now come in and say, I still want more. Because if you don't respect that court order, then you have no business going there to request for anything. Do you understand?
So now, I understand you, but there is something I want to declare here. You said the children's upkeep is 30,000.
What the court says.
In other aspects of their.
The court orders the respondent to be given the petitioner a sum of 30,000 naira per month for the upkeep of the children in custody of the petitioner.
Judge Funmi has been magnanimous to allow the defendant a month of grace period to apply for a copy of the court judgment, study and comply with it. After the break, Judge Funmi rules.
Go and get a copy of the court order. I've given you the details. Get it, study it, decide whether you want to comply or you have decided not to comply within you have a whole month of grace to make up your mind or the direction you want to follow. That's my judgment.
All right.
If your baby daddy is denying paternity of the child to avoid upkeep or you suspect misattributed paternity situations. Submit your case online at www.thejusticecourt.com for a prompt resolution of the matter.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And hey, make sure to turn on the notification bell. You will want to be the first to know when the next show drops. Catch you in the next one. Bye.